All right, we're gonna go for a ride in something that we don't usually get our hands on, things like this, but this was purchased by us for a film project that was happening. And so we're done with the project and now it is for sale. So it's a 2012 Audi Q5 Quattro S-Line SUV. Well, I guess I should put my seatbelt on this one, because otherwise it's going to beep at me the whole time. So anyhow, this one's got lots of options. It's got the panoramic roof, S-Line. It's got the larger 3.2 liter 6-cylinder engine in it. Quattro means all-wheel drive, in case you didn't know that, but you know, probably everybody does, but just thought I'd throw that out there. It's got 19-inch sport wheels on it. It's a moon shadow metallic blue, beautiful color. I love dark blue metallic, it looks good. It's got a light beige leather interior, heated, power, memory seats. I mean, pretty loaded, got about everything. The panoramic roof is pretty cool too. The whole roof is glass and it opens. It's got a moon roof, I should say. It tilts and slides back and all that. Also has a roof rack. That's removable, so if you got a canoe or skis or bicycles you can attach to that thing, kind of nice. And being all-wheel drive, I mean, these things are known, you know, the German technology. Just go up to the snow, man. Go in the rain, you know, wherever you live, this thing will tackle it, you know. That's what's kind of cool about them. And it's not big. They make a Q7, which is the big family car, but this one, yeah, it's 5-passenger. You got room to put stuff in the back. It's got good miles. This thing only has 74,000 miles on it. So most of them have over 100,000 miles now, because it is a 2012. It's 10 years old. So it's pretty good miles per year if you look at how long it's been on the road. You know, navigation, CD player, Bluetooth. Most of these cars had about everything. But I'll go up here and we'll take some more pictures and some video for you so you can see the rest of it. All right, here's a new arrival to California Cars. It's a 2012 Audi Q5 Premium Plus S-Line. A whole lot of names. Everybody's got a lot of names now. S-Line, kind of a performance version. It's got like sport mode for the sport shifter. It's a 270 horsepower, 3.2 liter, 6-cylinder engine, Quattro, which means all-wheel drive. So you take it up to the snow or whatever. Kind of cool. Not a big car, you know, the mini SUV, but very versatile. You know, this one's got the panoramic roof, which is cool. It's all glass, and a sunroof, a moonroof that opens up. It's got those removable factory racks for the top. So there's like, Yakima makes a rack attachment for that, for bicycles, canoes, skis, you name it. But I'll show you the inside. Really nice, you know. Interior's in good shape. I mean, for a 10-year-old car, it's got good miles too, like I said earlier. It's got 74,000 original miles. Passes emissions, we smog checked it, safety checked it, all that good stuff. Show you this side. It's got keyless entry, push button start. It's got the power hatch in the back that opens up. Steering wheel controls. They call it the MMI Audi Module Media Center or something like that, but that's navigation and backup camera, parking sensors, heated seats, which personally I really like when it's cold outside, even though it doesn't get that cold here. And this is the kind of the center of it all. It tells you how to set your oil change parameters in your navigation. You can save locations in your navigation. You know, most cars have this stuff now, but for 2012, it was kind of cool. Automatic headlights, LED lighting, nice. There's that panoramic roof, and it also has a shade if you don't want to always be in the sun, but it's tinted, as the outside windows are too. So the tinted windows are nice, kind of saves the interior. Clean Carfax, you know, no stories. Pretty good little car. I think it's had a little bit of paint work here and there, maybe the bumpers or something. Just if you kept it up, it's 10 years old, you get a nick or a chip in it, you got to do it. But tires are deep. It's got the 19-inch alloys, and with that 6-speed transmission, this thing motors along really good on a freeway. It's kind of a fun car to drive. They handle real good too. There's German technology for you. So here's the power plant in the Audi Q5. It's the largest motor I think you can get in this model. It's a V6, 3.2 liter, fuel injected. Real kind of cool looking too. Got like bright red coil packs in there and everything. It's kind of sporty looking. But it's got analog brakes and four-wheel analog brakes and power steering and all that speed sensitive stuff. It's got parking sensors in the bumpers. Nice under here. All the stickers are where they're supposed to be. You know, even VIN stickers are on every panel. That's what you want. German cars usually have that sort of thing. But we'll go ahead and fire it up for you. So it's got a proximity key, as long as the key is in here. See, there's your little key right there. Put that in a cup holder, put your foot on the brake. She fires right up. Pretty cool. Go ahead and show you under the hood. Yeah, it runs good. Nice and quiet. Just the way you want a family car to be. It's got the little turn signals in the mirrors there too. Pretty nice little Audi. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. If you're out this way, you want to check it out, you're welcome to. Give me a call and go for a little test drive if you like. Thanks for watching.